one of your fellow Israelites falls into poverty, allow him to live with you. Leviticus 25, verse 35.
Welcome to today's encouragement from Our Daily Bread. Lavish Love was written and read by Tom Felton.
Leviticus chapter 25, verses 35 through 43. If any of your fellow Israelites become poor and are unable to support themselves among you, help them as you would a foreigner and a stranger, so they can continue to live among you. Do not take interest or any profit from them, but fear your God, so that they may continue to live among you. You must not lend them money at interest or sell them food at a profit. I am the Lord your God, who brought you out of Egypt to give you the land of Canaan and to be your God. If any of your fellow Israelites become poor and sell themselves to you, do not make them work as slaves. They are to be treated as hired workers or temporary residents among you. They are to work for you until the year of Jubilee. Then they and their children are to be released, and they will go back to their own clans and to the property of their ancestors. Because the Israelites are my servants, whom I brought out of Egypt, they must not be sold as slaves. Do not rule over them ruthlessly, but fear your God. Lavish Love. Todd invited his younger brother Alex, a recent college graduate, to come live with him in the house he'd built. He wanted to help his sibling gain some financial footing by allowing him to live rent-free for a while. After 6 months, Todd asked Alex to begin paying rent. Years later, Alex made an offer on his own home. When the offer was accepted, Todd surprised him by telling him that he deposited Alex's rent payments in a savings account over the years, and that the substantial sum of money was now his. Alex wept as he received the lavish gift. In Leviticus 25, God gave Moses commands for the Israelites that included allowing those in need to live with you. This command was part of God's enacting a Jubilee year when debts were forgiven, those in poverty were helped, and the enslaved were freed. He declared that he lovingly led his people out of Egypt to give them the land of Canaan and to be their God. He'd provided a new homeland, and now they were to imitate him by showing love and opening their homes to others. The Apostle John would later write, "See what great love the Father has lavished on us, that we should be called children of God." By Jesus' sacrifice, we can receive the fullness of that lavish love, and as he helps us, we can lavish it on others. Let's pray. Loving Father, thank you for the lavish love you've poured out on us through Jesus. Please help us reflect that same generous love by opening our hearts and hands to others in need. It's in Jesus' name that we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. How have you experienced God's lavish love? How can you extend it to others?
Rokui il tokoi il pueblo rangarela ra utum amalu sra bugrayangad amakit il tokoi lolko agora ikil il magadorma il tobloma tal saivir au era altamalia rarwa tigingela ya kadorma lol sengel abayo bulte tomali o mosiwek la makit il tigingirar le gorgau e modar sra rubak Nglow klangal tangat, madewuring e gorkaw ruriul. Di motar saro kuidingalem, il morarubak, yarubak amadangay, e mongosukaw ruriul.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one size fits all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Notice regarding land located in Taliw Hamlet, Peleliu State with cadastral lot number 154R19. Notice is hereby given that Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Luil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, and Luil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subdal Girela Utumal Ngarablurablilio, Rataliu. Asubda Murabuail Maluil clan, represented by Obirir Piamore, Maluil clan, represented by Marissa Martin, Amnaruli on Tril Meltobda Certificate of Title, El Girel Telm na Masadra Babal Utuma, El Murapalaw National Government, Ababiel Girel Teloy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, Ang Aringir Obis Ralen Court, El Sabel Langidil Adel Maomes Rigi, Al Sukumang Aringia Other Tel Gablil, El Sawalom Tor Teloy de la Utuma, Mal Girel File, El Tangel, El Mora Obis Ralen Court, El Diamond Meodra March 5, 2026. Lebon Bioder Tial Time ang Sabel Selul Tangel Modialurior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Chats.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of the Republic of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from qualified Palau licensed attorneys or legal organizations to assist the Ministry of Health and Human Services with mental health and telehealth legislative and policy update. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by Health Resources and Services Administration's federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on February 27, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-18, public notice, February 12, 2026 through February 26, 2026. Bidding period will be February 27th, 2026 through March 30th, 2026. Proposals opening will be on March 31st, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Notice regarding land located in Taliw Hamlet, Peleliu State, Cadastral Lot Number 154R21. Notice is hereby given that Ngarulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, and Ngarulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngarulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, and Ngarulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the lineage who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than March 5, 2026, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Subada Algida la Utaman nga Taliw Rablilio, ang kadastral lat number niya 154R21. Subada Murabway el Mangrulong lineage, represented by Obak F. Umi Sangabaw, Mangrulong lineage, represented by Balang Ulang S. Wong, Amnaruli on Trill Meltob the certificate of title, El Gidel Tiam la Masadar Babal Utama, El Murapalaw National Government. Abavier El Gidel Tiloy de la Utama, Lem Conveyance Agreement, ang aringir Obisra Len Court, El Sabel Hangidil Adan Momesringi, Al Sukum, ang aringir other Tel Tulungal al sualom tokor tialoy de la utama ikmal gilel file or tangil more Israel court al diabol miudra March 5, 2026 lebol miudra tial time ang sabel selul tangil el modelo rior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge.
This is a Bureau of Human Resources public notice. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of the Republic of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from qualified Palau licensed attorneys or legal organizations to assist the Ministry of Health and Human Services in development and integration of a mental health curriculum for all public and private schools in Palau. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by Health Resources and Services Administration federal grant. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on February 24th, 2026. The solicitation and bidding periods shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on PalauGov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-BIDS/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-17. Public notice is February 9th, 2026 through February 23rd, 2026. Bidding period is February 24th, 2026 through March 25th, 2026. Proposals opening will commence March 26th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Melageo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Subdrang meldi radhiru tangli monigay simang. Tia subdrang meldi loltobdringa dingalius Eugene Uehara, ngiru tangli Matthew Masubda, ngiraw albang Eddie Smus, sa along Sano Sabal, other bay Ignatius ngirmeril, tulik ramli kang el Masubdra roil adma malkmo, akameldile radhiru tangli monigay simang, amotor kaklal moringira sabadong, sarudey, el February 21, 2026, el motob dramor ra 7:30 a.m. el moray iglesia ra St. Michael Church rangar beed e moringa misang ringi ra 8 a.m. Uriw ra misang eng morabli lel nga baku ngar beed e mga meldil motolyal sils e momadak ra odosong ra perbor rangar kabasang. Magim subdrar adamam raigal belu. Ayang eng spadlaru almi ramokot marhub o bilba al Mary Osima o bilulongong Aholiba Albert, Paab Hens Takawo, o bakarakamsong Valent Oigang, mamosubdar adad marangal ge may madaalim et kay nga sewertial albul. Ngiwal eng spadala delegate masasinge arurang, Koreti Erbay, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim kay nga sewertial albula. Malgayog ang spadala Dingalius Albert Jacinto, diradalbo la tekla kodeb, diray lolang Nina Antonio, marangaligem, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim kay nga sewertial albula. Ng esar agim subdara Rabad Robam Emasyol, Ringang Bill Alula, Margaret Emasyol, Henenora Balel, Billy Quartey, Oligong Stevenson Quartey, Wong Wright Quartey, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim kay nga sewertial albula. Iray ang spadala yaw Rabital Balu were the Ort Coil, Ridialul Marcelino Augustin, ngirgiklang lomisang ngirmakur, Rabaal Tagewa ngirmakur, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim kay nga sewertial albula. Orior ang spadlang mal miotel klol adad marangalgem, dirur rudla sayrong sato marangalgem, diramayang Damiana Sungino, diliad chuding irmeril, diray arey brangyay masami, sa along Sano Sabal marbebirakaw, dil sa along Cloriagi Kuwo Warswick, mangalagem, mamosubdar ad marangal may madaalim kay nga sewertial albula. Rangalge lamle sa along Anatanyo Gikuwo, rangalge lamle dil sa along Silvia Tangalbad, Rafidencia Tangalbad, Charles Tangalbad, Maroland Marar. Ola Bernardino Raalulga, Tamara Okabe, Isik Ligiramur, Bonay Simang, Tonayo Gibson, Ninus Mariur, Alus Lorenzo Pedro, Niray Ray Dwight Masami, Esperanza Skilang, Ray Skilang, Jay Skilang, Elizabeth Ngirmakur Marbebirakaw, Rangalge Lamle, Diradalbo Labaydong Kitalong, Tulik Ramli Gangar, Iadrathar Bay Ignatius Ngirmeri Lamarangalgem, Dingalius Crescencio Isaac, Mitsko Rafael, Tina Sumor Marangalgem, Arangalge la Veronica Umadib, Owens Otey, Arangalge lamle Yadra Therbay, Merol Ngirmeri, Ramilan Ngirmeri, Jacinta Avachi, Marbebi Rakaw. Arangalge lamle Ngiray Tungalbay, Setsuwa Ngirmeri, Arangalge lamle Adalbay ra Ngarmatargang Rakamilus Ngirmeri, Arangalge lamle Diliad, Antina Maui, Isaul Ramangsaw, Maalios Yao, Kompmal mi itatong, mamosub darangal, may madaalim, kay nga sewertial albula. Rangalge lamle, dirutangli, ayako yava, marangalge lamle, ngirutangli, yo kwartel. O sisilsub darangal dile la dirutangli monigay simang, alotob daringa dingal yusra, Uelgamur Albert Jacinto, Madiradalbo el tekla kodeb el morar adamam raigal belu. Ngayang lagim subdragaul obakrakalaw Stevenson Mogisang, ngiwal agim subdragaul ngiraybay Grek Darong, himili agim subdragaul Rogodol Senardo ngira alsaw, ngesar agim subdragaul Rabad Robang Emasyol. Mamkas pasub del bekkalad may madaalim kay nga sewertial albul. Direkal spadala adiray lolang Nina Antonio, rangalge lamay rulugda, rangalge la ngirang uy rulugda, rangalge la ongos rulugda, marangalge la osya nga maes, mamkas pasub del bekkalad may madakay nga sewertial albul. Klamatela sub daw ul matirgel adama malmlodekal madungang clear lakbol maknitarang miw may madaalim kay nga sewertial sil sa rakamaldil kompmal masulang yarubakal Dios lo makaltangat targida rokuy signed Dingalius Eugene Uehara ngirutangli Matthew Masubda ngiraw elbang Eddie Smooth Iadrathar Bay Ignatius Ngirmeril Tulik Ramaligang R sa along Sano Sabal. Subdra kamaldi radirutangli monigay simang. Tia subdra kamaldi lotob da nga ngiraybu riyang Yosino, ngirakarkur Chan Wong, ngir mga the Clays Malsol, or ete Matias Erbay, may adra putalbay ling inabo, el masubdra rokuil adamamalk mo, akamaldi lela dirutangli monigay simang, amotor nga klal mo rin sabadong February 21, 2026. Mang matuab dramor gra 7 dori ra tutaw, el moray Iglesia ra St. Michael Church, el ngarangar beed, e moring ya misang ringi ra 8 a.m., yawri ra misang, eng mokloy ra blil, el ngarang abuku ngar beed, e mga maldil motelyal sils, e mamadak ra odosong rat perbor, rangar kabasang. Malwayse, agim subdrar adamam raigal balu. Orior, eng spadla ngiray galaw Francisco Gibbons, adalbay ratang Allen Seed, ngir etet Norbert Yano, remerang santi asanuma mamosubdra adad marangal may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Agi dire kalmusubdra miray Yurigo Ponciano, dire prak Elisita Morey, wadal agemi Anderson, madiduoy kegi asanuma, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Tiadire kaltobet silsubdal morar adamam raom rogongla. Mangspadala pakriw the may alu sa madil pakriw Benedictam ol, dil sub the paloy, Iris Mariur, Lali Kluk, mangalgelamle espangla esabay arbadul, mamgaspasub the may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Dira kalspad lakawal tulik ramaligang ar, maebil tulik de olang ar, mamosub darangal may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Dira kalspad la arangal la daluta rangel, mamgaspasub de may madaalim edakay nga sew. Dira kalspad la arangal la debalbot ilek, rangal la Sunday ilek, rangal la ulang ong hilek, rangal la aleduy o malyak, marangal la ilong isaol, mamgaspasub dal bekalad may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Malgayok agim subdargawal ngiray ngas Villani Thomas, mabekaldil agemi Thomas, mangiras asong kyosi talay, mamosubdarangal graplay may madakay nga sew. Dira kalosisil subda, amorangal gela rungulbay, Raimerur Ignacio rungulbay, sa arulyong Teodor rungulbay, mafuana rungulbay, mamosubdar adad marangal grablay may madaalim edakay nga sew. Dira kalspadalan ngalgelamle madralmi George Ngirarsaol, marangalgela diray nga sa masayos, mamosubdar adad may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Dira kalosisil subda, amora LYT Lindar Albang, mamosubdar adad marangal ka may madaalim edakay nga sew. Iray ang spadala rabaal la tagewo ngirmakur mang mal lamyot el klolad rablay ra ngar amul. Mamosubdar adad may madaalim edakay nga sew. Ngayaw ragim subdar kawal Viv Angel Sali, Ruutokyuy da Sisuko Sali, mamosubdra rangalgela emigo Sali maradad may madaalim edakay nga sew. Direkal spadala aw eramadeb Warren Fukuichi may madakay nga sewer tial albul. O sisil subdra kamaldile la dirutangli monigay simang alaltob daringiya iadra butalbay ling inabo el masubdra bekal adamam. Mangspadala uwangar ete Matias Erbay, madarngabul da tamir mangsaw, Mamlee Barbara Iskawa, Direkal Spadla Governor Dwight Ngiraybay, Marbebi Ringi, Rimir Hayes Ngiratrerda, Wadalad Modesta Ngirasway, Ngribong Andres, Rego Sisang, Marangalgelamle Iadra Butalbay Itpik, o baka mga lang Church Ranir the Or, Mabilung Masya Okada, mamgaspasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Dira kalmasub dargawal wadalad Satski Florencio, makawal ueldig sanatus misa, marbebi rakaw. Mamgaspasub de may madakay nga sewer tial albul. Orior ang spadala rangalgela isabong isimang, rangalgela ngaribong la ruulda, rangalgela diray may ultirakla, rangalgela uerbalaw, ngirubatpad, rangalgela Indolesyo Rudim ngirubatpad, marangalgela Arse ngirubatpad, mamkaspasub del bekalad may madaalim edakay nga sew. Direkal spad la rangalgela ngilas taway, adalbay maadal utama, dirakargur natsko adalbay, marangalgela haruwo adalbay. Tokubetsel subda, amora dirawud sa tani ar ngirmang, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albula. Tokubetsel spadek nga kalbona isimang, amoraw erbalaw Lorenzo Eduard, madil balaw, mamosub daran ngalgelam lew erbalaw Siyot Joseph, marangalgelam lew erbalaw masawo kulibert, may madaalim edakay nga sew. Direkalilya kalsubda, aloltob dringa bona isimang, elmorang Rider Bay masasinge arurang, maebil Rider Bay brangye masami, marangalgela ngirmang, Justa paloy maloren sa olgaril, mamgas basub de may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial albul. Klamatela sub daw ul, material adamam almlodyak almadungang clear, lakbol makitarang miw, may madaalim edakay nga sewer tial sils rakamaldil. Kompmal masulang, yarubak kal Dios, lomaknal tangat targid rokui. Subdra kamaldil. Kaya subdra kamaldil, loltob da nga ngir ongor isak swaladaw, Ruigang Kioni Saal, Ngiratalbadal St. Andres, Makatin Blailes, Rakablira Umrang Ramalgayokol mo, Adilyob Amonigay Simang, Amlos Mera Edel Gabsingil Ongerulbuil, February 3, 2026, Emlamot Rokok Lamaldilel, El Moringira Sabadong, Eloy Matang, El Gabsingil El Al Ongerulbuil, Saruday, 21 February 2026, El Di Moringira Blil, El Ngarangabu, Rangar Beed, El Ngar Orior. Motuab dramor kara ewid el klo matedo bara tutau 7:30 AM el moray iglesia ra St. Michael rangar beed e morablil rauriw ramisang. Malway say agim subdra rokuil adamam magim gawgablil regal balu malamay magim aalim edgay nga sewer tialulbong al sungul ngigal targid radilyob amonigay simang. Ato kubet sa spadam, amorakwol raklay bawang irmang, agim subde ol ngitargaw, mamosub dararu olem, mamay madaalim mertial albula. Agim subdra ngalgelamle, ebil rabong Adelina Isaal, ra ebil rabong Joyce Isaal Sali, iadribu kolokyon Isaal, Joseph Isaal, marangalgir, marangalgela Jonathan Isaal. Agim subdra ngalgela yolsaw bayo Samuel, radil ur Watanabe marangalgel, rangalgela Mitsko bayo France, radil yaur France ibutirang, marbebi ringi marangalgir. Rangalgela Husigo bayo Heinrich, rasela ma Oscar Heinrich, marbebi retir marangalgir. Rangalgela Saka masubda, Rauel masubda Saka, marbebi ringi marangalgir. Agidirek kalmasubdra ngalgela Tmur Marisong, magim subdra rokuil ngalgela ngira sa aduy, rangalgela Alod, rangalgela Blailes, rangalgela Tiokay, rangalgela Tmodrang, marangalgela Mateolool, rangalgela Riumda, marangalgela Diray Wasay, marangalgela Mle Obakal, Klolubak, Radabdeb, marbebi ringi. Mamgas pasubda rokuy, marbebi ragmiw, may madakay ngasew, edal mga tri, rarbebil, marangalgelang galmaas. Ngar along, ablay rakyo ra olay, egim subdran ngalgela omelaw, rabangyar marbebi rakaw, marngalgela buy katil, though marbebi ringi. Aureg dagim subdran ni aureg ma Dr. Maria Hindenburg, mamo subdra rokuil adadra aureg may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubda olingit ra Senator Garay Mariur, marbebi ringi, marangalgela Miyoko, ra Valentino Klolav, mamosub dra bebi ragmiw may madakay ngasew. Ngarar dagim subdra ra albang Tiowas Wasisang, maebil rayrung Elizabeth Wasisang Kabakol, marbebi rigid rayray, marangal grayrung may madakay ngasew. Agidirek kalmasubdra diraaw Adelina Blailes, mabil adalbay Veronica Arpadul, marangalgela Bares ngira sa aduy, may madaalim edgay nga sewer tial albul. Agidirek kalmasubdra esaberay padaang, mamay madagay nga sew. Ngiwal, agim subdra ngiray derbay delegate masasingi arurang, malosubdra adad marangal may madagay nga sewer tial albul. Iray, agim subdra Lapsis Ernest ngira sa aduy, ebilas mosong Martay Yaad, Diramew and Mary Adeao, Dirat kalgang Eleanor Tagesi, Madira Asel Emiliana ngira sa aduy ngirikiklang, mamosubdar adad marangal may madaalim edkay ngasew. Orior at tagubet sa spadam amoray badul, mamaasal bilong Gloria Gibbon sa Sali, Rablay rat aboet, mamosubde may madaalim edkay ngasew. Ngayaw ragim subdraw Erbalaw Lorenzo Eduardo, diraderbay Fermina ngirayngas, mamosubdar adad, ra oragiblay may madakay ngasew. Kaya nga kamaldi len moringira sabadong aluy matang algabasingil el al ongerulbuil. Saturday, 21 February 2026. El di moringira nga baku ngarbeed al ngar orior. Kompmal masulang, yarubak kal Dios, lolmol malamak ngal tangat targid rokuy. Signed, ngirongor Isak Soalabab, Ruigang Kioni Saal, ngiratalbadal St. Andres, Augustino Blailes.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi, adiagal spedel, madiagal tigingel, malub engul desuel adias Broadcasting Company, tiang aspedirar adlul top deringi haraorngi, kohmal masulang.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station.
Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Ngermid Hamlet, broadcasting on two different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7. With a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter, WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de hatte memel mera radio station, madagulngit ma may gim sukaw. Makot, egrilu si aspren, eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw, eo aisen muk pungomur o ingrang e momrekor o ingrang, etela times ratal si se sain ringi, esendringil either moya ka fax mora 4884420, malub be sendringi loya ka email el mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama recorderingi erulia invoice e sendringi le korkau ya wiul ega meharaw. Ali malya moves loya de wargau le chospe eringi elo aisergau maluba nganya harmam raspedem e aki caller segi the number e mga du urgaraw era ki bomrek kimru raspedem ko mal sulang. Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in DS Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi, sine. What do you mean, oi, sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
Looking for Palauan oldies or American oldies or latest music? WWFM Music Store is open to serve you. You can now make your own personalized CD or download music to your iPod, MP3 player, USB, and cell phone. WWFM Music Store is open from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday through Saturday. Call 488-5771 for more information. You're listening to station WWFM. Stay tuned for Fox News.
Tragedy on a California mountain. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News. Of the 9 backcountry skiers missing in an avalanche near Lake Tahoe yesterday, the sheriff says 8 have been found dead, and they're still working to recover the bodies. 1 other skier remains missing. 6 have been rescued alive yesterday.
They were sheltered. They had some equipment with them trying to not only stay warm, but they had medical issues as well.
Nevada County, California Sheriff Shannon Moon says the skiers were on the final day of a 3-day organized tour with a guide. 2 of the survivors are hospitalized. The Meta CEO takes the stand in Los Angeles at a trial pitting a social media user against platforms accused of intentionally getting young users hooked and harming their mental health. Mark Zuckerberg testifying that Instagram is not engineered to be addictive.
The plaintiff's side presented different documents with verbiage that basically said that they wanted smartphones to dominate from age 10, and also they wanted to look at the amount of time that they spend. Now, that's key here. One of the safety features that Instagram eventually put in was an age restriction. Plaintiff KGM was only 9 years old, according to the plaintiff's lawyer, when she signed up for Instagram.
Fox Business's Kelly Saberi at LA Superior Court. The case could set a precedent for thousands of others around the country. Google's YouTube, also a defendant in the lawsuit that TikTok and Snapchat settled before trial. President Trump just kicking off a celebration of Black History Month with a tribute to the Reverend Jesse Jackson.
He was a real hero, and I just want to pay my highest respects to Reverend Jesse Jackson. He's a good man.
Also offering condolences to the Jackson family a day after the passing of the civil rights leader. Stocks finished higher, but an higher rally fizzled. The Dow up 129 at the bell. America is listening to Fox News. President Trump's cabinet is honing its economic message ahead of the midterm elections.
Dozens of administration members gathered on Capitol Hill Tuesday for a meeting on midterm messaging and touting economic success.
And that's what the president loves to do, to get out across the country. And he's spoken about his intention to go across the country a lot more.
White House Press Secretary Caroline Leavitt previewing a Thursday trip to Georgia where President Trump will visit businesses. Still, polling shows a majority of Americans are not satisfied with the president's handling of the economy as Democrats campaign on a platform of affordability. At the White House, Jared Halpern, Fox News.
Minutes from the latest Fed meeting show many officials pointing to signs of a stabilizing job market, but also indicating they would want to see inflation fall more before supporting additional rate cuts this year. Several officials also saying they could have supported language suggesting either a cut or a rate hike in a statement on the Fed's next move. A federal judge in Illinois settles a customer's legal beef over chicken wings and other things.
U.S. District Judge John J. Tharp ruled against a Buffalo Wild Wings customer's complaint that he was deceived by false advertising. Eamon Halim sued after visiting the restaurant 3 years ago, only to find some specific products, boneless wings, cauliflower wings, weren't wings at all. In a 10-page ruling, Judge Tharp said the term for these restaurant dishes are not much more than fanciful names and that people understand the boneless and cauliflower wings are alternatives to chicken wings. The judge went further, actually saying in his ruling that Halim didn't drum up enough facts to support his claim. Gernal Scott, Fox News.
Recapping stocks, the Dow up 129, S&P up 38, NASDAQ up 175, but they had all been higher during the session. I'm Lisa Brady. This is Fox News.